No one ever hopes to get into a car accident, however small it may be. Such an event can be extremely nerve-wracking to anyone involved, and in the moment, it may seem too impossible to be able to sort out what needs to be done. The best way to handle a car wreck is simply to be prepared before one ever happens. This article will prove to be helpful for those drivers who have not yet been in a car wreck of any kind. Use these tips to prepare yourself and act appropriately during this stressful and confusing moment. One of the best things you can do in a car wreck is be insured long before you ever get into one. Because you simply cannot control the actions of all other drivers on the road, nor predict exactly what effects the weather will have on your own driving, having insurance on your car will be a great protection that can save you a lot of money in the end. In fact, it may even be a good idea to get insurance against those other drivers who have none, in case they run into you. If you find yourself a part of an automobile accident, the first thing you need to do is assess the damage it might have done to anyone in your car or in the close vicinity. It is common for people to experience things such as whiplash after being jerked so suddenly in an automobile accident, but if anyone is bleeding or in a lot of pain, the first thing that you should do is call 911 and get the appropriate help they need to be taken care of. Bystanders or other people are usually discouraged from physically interfering with injured people, so be sure to call a paramedic as quickly as possible. Most often, it will be necessary to call a policeman to inform them of the accident. They will then be able to help mediate between the separate parties involved in the accident, and clean up anything that may cause damage to other traffic. Be ready to exchange information with the other people involved in the accident. Some information needed by both parties will include their name, a phone number, insurance information, and the make, model, and license plate number of the car. This information will likely be given to the different insurance agencies to make sure that all damage is paid for appropriately by the party at fault. It is always good to get the information of any other eyewitnesses as well. This will help in the event that circumstances of the wreck are unclear to both parties. The bystanders may be able to sort out what really happened. Any other information regarding specific actions you should take following a car accident of any kind can usually be obtained by speaking to your insurance agent. It is important that these protocols be followed, to avoid any mix-up and complications concerning the accident. If you know before you go, you will be a lot better off if it ever really happens. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.